Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I encourage you to write your wow bio. I have all of my clients do this. We often don't realize how much wow we have, and that will really help you stand out with the media. What are the one or two big things that you've done in your career that really make you stand out from anybody else trying to be used as a source or an expert in the media? And list that at the bottom of your pitch. Do your one or two sentences. Show the book that you've written. Show your credibility. So take an hour and just brain dump on all of your wow, and then condense it into 2 or 3 sentences that you can put at the end of your pitches as your bio. So that is this week's PR tip. If you like this and you'd like to learn more, please join our no-cost PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. I take you through all the steps to position yourself as an expert and then start actually pitching the media. So I will see you in our challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.